Are you? Yeah, you ready? Come on. Just sit right there, okay? Go that way.
Slow. Do it slowly. Slow. There you go. Watch out.
I win.
Let him use the goggle. I want to see
he lands
with the goggle.
Oh, it's not working with the goggle. Something wrong with the VTX.
Oh.
I don't know what's up with it.
Fly better with the goggle.
Yeah, he flies the tiny whoops in the house. Yeah, he can fly them good with the FPV,
so
but it's harder for him like this though.
So with the goggle, you can see where you're going.
Yeah,
left, right, and everything.
Yeah, like this, like you got to remember orientation.
And that lady's gonna go crazy behind the ball. Every time he swing at the ball, it goes
go that way.
Like
the white is the front.
There it is.
Turn it off. Why'd you turn your head? He was like this.
I thought it was gonna hit me.
It's not gonna hit you if you control it. You gotta fly it back that way. What are you flying it this way for?
I flied it this way because I didn't.
Go. You don't turn your head, okay? Keep looking. You gotta keep looking at it.
Do a roll. Do a roll.
No, he's not that.
It's an acro.
Oh, turn it off. Turn it off. You turned it off?
I turned it.
Okay. I don't want him to burn out my ESC. Spike my ESC.
Hello. Ajá. Pero no lo grabé cuando llegó la policía. Porque le estaba cambiando la batería, pero sí grabé los otros. Toditos los motores y eso. Sí, ajá. Cuando yo llegué a la casa, cuando yo llegué a la casa que lo pase. No, cuando yo llegué a la casa que lo pase para el teléfono te lo mando.
Está bien.
You can't. That one, the goggles don't work on that one. My VTX is down.
You recorded when the cop came. Nah, I should have recorded.
Go.
That shit would have been nice.
Go, Dreesy.
I don't know why my battery died in that time. It would have been nice if I would have recorded with the cop showing up in there. I'm done too.
Wait, you coming back too far.
They're like, you recorded when the cop showed up. I'm like, nah. That would have been great. But I got a good video from them. It's just that I got it on the DVR, but the DVR looks great on this stuff.
I think he's nervous, Jay. He flies a lot better than that.
I don't want it to get worse.
I would have made them a nice video if I would have used my GoPro.
Because she got muscle up in there.
You wasn't out that far. Don't. Just keep it around this area, okay? Yeah, keep it low and keep it around this area. Uh-oh, the battery's dying.
Yo, I went so high earlier.
Yeah.
Like real high up. I never been that high. I just went up until the signal went down to like 30, I think.
The battery's there. Bring it to me. Idris, turn it off and bring it over here.
The remote signal was like 30 something when I was just going up and letting the signal drop.
Oh, yeah.
When it was around 30, I started coming back and the video was breaking up. And when I was coming down, I thought I was like straight over here. When I went like that and looked down, I kind of rolled it to look down like a split S and just let it drop. I was all the way over there on top of that truck over there. I was on top of the street over there.
Oh, man.
I was like, damn, I thought I was on top of the park. So I took off from right here. I went near the tree and I leveled it out and I started going up and 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 up until like my remote signal reached like 30. So before I had the fail say I do a split S to look down and come straight down. I was all the way from over.
Oh, man.
But it was nice.
You almost lost it?
Huh?
You almost lost it?
Yeah, because when the signal goes lower than 20, something like that, it's a fair play.
I think I'm locked out.
Yeah, and he got so much bad luck, my friend, that when the cop showed up, his motor didn't want to start. That's one of my customers from the barbershop.
Okay. My VTX on my Freestyle doesn't work anymore. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna swap it out anyhow, though. Might as well turn it off, keep some line of sight.
And I still hear them around, so like they haven't even leave.
I'm sitting down doing line of sight.
They be doing that shit every week. They be riding motorcycle like that every week. Oh. Where they at? Where they at, yo?
I don't know.
I hear them, but I don't see them. I think they're over there.
Yeah, I see them.
They're behind us.
Oh, where?
There's one person.
Oh, here they are. In the front, shooting up on them again.
I don't know why I'm just chilling being right.
That's why we love Philly cops. They're so cool.
Watch it, ET. Watch it. You're walking in the way.